Hi, I'm Brennan with B&J Vent Services. Today I'm going to walk you through our dryer vent cleaning process. First, we turn on the dryer so we can obtain an air reading. A minimum of 1,000 feet of air per minute is required for your dryer to safely operate. While getting the air reading, we take our before photo. Next, we inspect the vent to ensure a safe cleaning and to look for any hazards we need to let the customer know about. We are looking to see if the vent is solid, rigid metal pipe once it goes through the floor. All seams are taped with metal tape and is strapped and secured. Here, the only hazard was the distance the exterior hood was from the ground. Now we unplug the dryer and detach the dryer from the vent and attach our vacuum and set up our other equipment and choose our method of cleaning. Now that it's time to clean, I turn on the dual motor HEPA vac and turn the air compressor on. At this particular job, due to the large amount of buildup, I actually had to clean the vent from both inside and outside to ensure that I got all of it out. Once we're finished and the vent is clean, we clean off the lint screen and clean out the lint trap with our crevice tool and clean any of the leftover lint and debris around and behind the dryer. Lastly, we get our after air reading. We like to see anywhere from 12 to 1400 feet per minute once we're done cleaning everything. Thanks for watching.